everybody. And now we're going to dive into the Rebuild product that we have. So we actually have two flavors with Rebuild, and they both are isolate whey proteins, all right? So we have chocolate and vanilla. Now, Crystal ordered vanilla, and she's going to dive into her experience with the vanilla product and how it helped her, and we'll kind of go from there. So Crystal, take it away, and also we're going to dive into the ingredients right after, all right? So for the scientific-based folks, we got you, all right? So Crystal, go ahead, take it away.
Hey guys, well, it definitely tastes great. It gives you like a little smoothie snack type of taste. It doesn't even feel like you're taking something that's great for you. It's good for toning and rebuilding your muscles and you know, definitely getting the look that you're going for. So I would definitely recommend the protein. It's one of my favorites, and I hope you guys try it. It's great.
Well, awesome, Crystal. Thank you so much for explaining that. And now we're going to dive into the actual scientific-based facts behind our product and also the ingredients that are inside of it. So here are the ingredients that are within our product.
You couldn't wait to eat every day. Imagine that chalky, gritty texture you never had to put in your routine ever again. When you're craving something sweet, creamy, one thing comes to mind. Revolve Rebuild Vanilla Ice Cream Protein. Now, it supports your goals with protein designed to be so incredibly delicious, you will never skip this macro again. Now, our vanilla ice cream protein is the perfect protein for athletes, bodybuilders, models, or anyone searching for an irresistible, delicious protein your taste buds will be begging to devour. With a silky smooth texture that melts in your mouth, that's rich, creamy, mouth-watering, blend simply isn't protein that tastes like ice cream.
All right, everybody, so we just talked about the formula of what's inside of the product, the ingredients, and we're, again, being super transparent about what's inside. The biggest thing with our product, again, it's isolate whey protein. It's not your normal chalky, nasty whey protein. It's a great taste. It's ultra-filtered whey, and we do an extremely great job of making sure that it mixes easily, it's gluten-free, and it helps you overall with your body after your workouts. It's a great meal replacement, so make sure to try this product out. Now we're going to move on to the third product. So the third product that Crystal purchased was actually the Restore BCAA.